Welcome to the charming world of miniature crochet flowers. Today, we're exploring 41 small crochet flowers that pack a big punch in charm and versatility. Let's dive into this delightful garden of yarn. Known as the poor man's rose, this prairie charmer is a bridal bouquet favorite. Its delicate petals and long vase life make it perfect for weddings. Once more valuable than gold in 17th century Holland, causing the first economic bubble, the Netherlands still produces billions of tulip bulbs annually. Legend says they sprouted from the Virgin Mary's tears. Now they're the traditional flower for Mother's Day in many countries. The king of flowers, in China, cultivated for over 4,000 years, symbolizes wealth, honor, and a happy marriage in Chinese culture. Medieval folks believed these bellflowers rang to warn of approaching fairies. Blooms in shades of blue, purple, pink, and white. From French, penser, meaning thought. In Victorian times, it meant think of me. Their faces appear to nod pensively. Actually, two flowers in one, the white petals and yellow center are separate flowers, part of the composite flower family. Delicate looking but tough, surviving poor soil and drought. Its cloud-like appearance makes it a popular filler in bouquets. Not a true lily, but related to houseplants like philodendrons. Its elegant shape has inspired artists for centuries. Over 25,000 species exist, some living up to 100 years. The vanilla plant is actually a type of orchid. Named from Latin lavare, to wash, Romans used it to scent everything from baths to hair. Popular in aromatherapy today. The state flower that predicts rain by closing its petals before storms. Used by Native Americans for food and medicine. Born from the blood of a Greek youth loved by both Apollo and Zephyr, known for its sweet fragrance in spring gardens. In Wales, spotting the first one promises 12 months of wealth. Also known as narcissus, it's toxic to other flowers. Grows sideways with all blooms on one side of the stem. Named after German physician Friedrich Fries, prized for its citrusy scent. Highly poisonous, but in France, giving it on May 1st is a good luck tradition. It's the birth flower for May. In Chinese folklore, represents a single day in the mortal world. These vines can climb up to 15 feet in a single season. A different take on the classic daffodil, this pattern allows for variations in petal arrangement and center detailing. Roses have been around for 35 million years. They're part of the same family as apples, pears, and cherries. Not a rose at all, but a tropical ginger plant with rose-like blooms. A favorite in exotic floral arrangements. Used to make sorrel, a tart Caribbean drink. The calyces are also used to make natural red food coloring. Miniature roses are natural dwarf varieties. They're fully hardy and can be grown outdoors just like their larger cousins. Crucial in creating modern roses, it introduced repeat flowering to Europe, also known as the Bengal rose. Named for its coffee and cream coloration, showcasing modern rose breeding, a standout in bouquets and gardens. Developed in 1867, revolutionized roses with large, well-formed continuous blooms, the most popular type of rose today. Symbolizes charm and thoughtfulness in the language of flowers, popular for weddings and romantic gestures. Some varieties can scale walls up to 20 feet high, not true vines, but have stiff canes that can be trained to climb. Simplified designs capturing the essence of roses, perfect for beginners or quick projects. Not a flower, but a popular tremolo system for electric guitars, a favorite among rock and metal guitarists. Doesn't exist in nature, symbolizing the quest for the impossible. In 2004, genetic engineering created a bluish rose. Named after Dr. Alexander Garden, known for its intoxicating fragrance. Popular even when not in bloom for its glossy leaves. Uniquely shaped like delicate wine glasses, this design combines two beloved objects into one charming flower. Famous for its fruity fragrance of guava and sweet white wine. Part of David Austin's English rose collection. Can grow up to 20 feet in a single season, blooms profusely but typically only once a year. In Japan, symbolizes the samurai spirit. It's the state flower of Alabama and the source of tea leaves. Used in traditional Chinese medicine for anxiety and insomnia, holds strong cultural significance. Adds a touch of fantasy to projects, captures the essence of Barbie's feminine and fun style. Meant love in vain in Victorian flower language, now symbolizes affection and attachment in many cultures. Hanami viewing parties in Japan date back to the 8th century, seen as a metaphor for the fleeting nature of life. A playful, bubbly twist on traditional rose motifs brings joy and whimsy to any crochet project. Mimics spray rose varieties, creating a mini bouquet effect, adds a lush, garden-inspired touch to creations.